Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is a short video to know how to rotate image in Windows 11. So I'm going to show you two methods that you can use as per your requirement. So let's start the video. Okay guys, so you can find, you come here, come to your folder or image. Okay, just find your image. Okay, just select that and right click on it from mouse, right click on it, and here you can see open with option. Just click on it and go to the photos. Okay, if you don't have this option, so I will show you another method. First let me show you this. Okay, go to the open with and go to the photos. Under the photos you can see this is my straight photos. Okay, so now you can go to the rotate option and you can also use shortcut key, which is control plus R. Okay, so you can just click on that icon and your image start to rotate like this. So once you happy with your rotation, just come back, your image will be automatically saved. Okay, and if you want to create copy, another copy, just open the image same and just rotate that and save as another copy. Save as, go to the save as, select your location and type rename your image and just save it. Okay, so this is the first method. Now let me show you the another method. Go to the image, right click on it, and now you can open with the paint. Okay, the paint is the by default app for Windows, so it is 100% available on your device. Go to the paint, image will be open like this. Now you come to the zoom in. Okay, make the some zoom in. Okay, and here the option called rotation under the image. Okay, you can use that rotation options. So we have custom rotation also. So rotate this. Once you happy with your rotations, it is flip. Okay, it is not rotation, it is flip vertical and it is flip horizontal, and this is rotation 90 rights, rotate left. Okay, after you done, just go to the save. So it will be saved as the same copy, or you can make the save as to create new copy. Okay, PNG file or JPG file. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.